Hey guys, are you looking to buy the best cordless impact wrench? Then you are in the right place. Our today's video is about the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches that are available in the market. If you want to know the price and more information about the products mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting with the DeWalt 20V Max Atomy cordless impact wrench. DeWalt is a trusted name in power tools known for durability and performance. The 20V Max Atomy cordless impact wrench reflects the brand's commitment to innovation. This impact wrench boasts a powerful 20-volt max brushless motor, delivering up to 400 foot-pounds of torque and 3,200 impacts per minute. It features 3 speed settings for precision control and an LED work light for visibility in dark spaces. The Atomy system enhances battery efficiency, ensuring extended runtime. Its robust torque makes it ideal for heavy-duty applications like automotive repairs and construction projects. The variable speed trigger offers precise control and the brushless motor ensures longevity and consistent power. The compact and ergonomic design minimizes user fatigue during prolonged use. It weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it portable and easy to handle. The DeWalt 20V Max Atomy cordless impact wrench is a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, combining power, efficiency, and convenience in one robust package. Now our second product is the Craftsman CMCF 921 impact wrench. The Craftsman V20RP brushless CMCF 921 consistently placed in the back half of our testing. This largely has to do with this mid-torque model's lower top speed of just 1900 RPM. Even against the similarly spec'd Skill PWR Core 20, however, it trailed behind. One thing it does have is a lightweight body, just under 3.5 pounds bare, and only still a hair under 5 pounds with a 4 amp hour battery. This one may be a decent fit for DIYers and value-minded pros who need an occasional use impact wrench. Better yet, consider grabbing the CMCF 940 high torque model for better performance. Our third product is the Metabo HPT WR36D36V impact wrench. As one of 2 36/40 volt products in our lineup, the Metabo HPT multi-volt impact wrench did pretty well. It excelled in our inertial torque test and held its own when driving our large lag bolt. Most impressively, it does this with a fairly efficient power-to-weight ratio. This tool includes 4 assist modes you can activate on the foot of the tool. Each varies the torque by limiting the impact time when driving nuts and bolts in the forward direction. In each of the 4 assist modes, the tool stops after half, 1, 1.5, and 2 seconds respectively. This mode doesn't work in reverse. You also get an auto-stop mode that halts rotation to prevent over-tightening a fastener. The Metabo HPT WR36DE impact wrench incorporates a physical vibration damper between the base of the handle and the battery interface. This helps protect the battery and doesn't reduce vibration to your hand. Metabo HPT truly makes a mid-torque tool that performs well and then tops it off with a limited lifetime warranty. Now number 4, the Ingersoll Rand 1-inch cordless impact wrench. Ingersoll Rand's W9000 series 1-inch cordless impact wrenches are the most powerful models by a wide margin. Boasting 3,000 foot-pounds of breakaway and 2,200 foot-pounds of fastening torque, no one else comes close, not even Milwaukee. With standard and extended anvils available, it uses a pair of batteries to spin the anvil at up to 890 RPM. At 25.9 pounds before you add the battery, it has some heft, but it's worth leaving the days of dragging an air hose behind. This cordless power wrench is built to last with an IP56 rating for tough environmental conditions. It features an impact and chemical-resistant housing and is made without hoses and cords to reduce trip hazards. This cordless impact wrench is designed for ultimate convenience. It allows you to tackle 250 bolts per charge during a full workday, so you don't have to wait on air for roadside applications or rush tasks. And our last choice is the Bosch GDS 18 V770 cordless impact wrench. Bosch revitalized its 18-volt lineup with advanced batteries and biturbo brushless motors to form the Pro Factor line, and the newest 3/4-inch high-torque impact wrench is a beast designed for professional use. The 3-speed GDS 18 V770 packs 770 foot-pounds of fastening and 1,250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque with merciless efficiency. Right now, it's in the hands of our marine mechanic, saving him some torch time by breaking loose bolts that have been exposed to salt water way too long. featuring a brushless high-performance motor and drivetrain system engineered to take full advantage of the additional power generated by Core 18-volt high-power batteries. Compatible with Bosch 18-volt tools, optimized for Profactor tools, delivers 2 times more runtime than GBA 18V40. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to make your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify you of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.